All right, guys, so we wanted to go over a little bit of, once we had all of the wires ran to the back of the dash, kind of what everything is, so you guys have a good idea of where everything should relatively be placed and just have a good idea of what's going on here. So kind of starting from the right to the left, you're gonna have your USB inputs as well as your mic input, which is a separate small harness here. We actually ran that down through the bottom, and we actually found a nice little stock OEM hole. We took the actual physical ash removable tray out, which got us access to that hole, and we ran both of our USBs right here, which would be nice if you have Apple CarPlay dongle or anything you want to use via USB. It'll just be kind of right here at your access. Now moving on to the big harness here, your main harness. We already went over a little bit of the components of the harness, but really all we're going to be doing is tucking these two boxes, these two portions behind the actual dash itself. Again, we already have the car portion hooked into the car harness itself. This will be the one that goes into the actual head unit itself. And just to kind of give you a better idea here, out of the stock head unit, you have the main car harness, a yellowish small harness, and a very similar black portion as well. This is actually your antenna. So you're gonna have your antenna adapter plugs right in. And this yellowish piece is actually one that we believe are actually not going to be needed or used for our current setup. And then continuing on to the left here, we just have three more. This had a couple different auxiliary adapters per se, or actually antennas, if you will. You have your nav antenna, which is right here. You have your Bluetooth mic, which is right here. And then we also have our Wi-Fi antenna, which we actually ran. All of them have run through the driver's side under the steering wheel here and coming into the dash, and we'll go over placement in a little bit here.